Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a scholarship character reference letter. What is a scholarship character reference letter? A scholarship character reference letter is a formal document, written by someone who knows the scholarship applicant personally or professionally, such as a teacher, professor, employer, or mentor. The purpose of the letter is to provide a character reference, highlighting the applicant's personal qualities, such as integrity, work ethic, leadership, empathy, and overall suitability for the scholarship. The letter typically includes examples of the applicant's academic achievements, community involvement, and personal attributes that align with the scholarship's values and objectives. It serves as a form of endorsement, to help the scholarship committee assess the applicant's merit and potential, ultimately supporting their chances of receiving the scholarship. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a scholarship character reference letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write the sender's information at the top left corner. Here, you need to write your full name. And then, write your job title. Include your position, especially if relevant, such as professor. For the next, you can write institution name, the place where you work. Write also the full address of your institution for formality and verification. Sure, you can add your email address and phone number as well. After that, you need to write the date of the letter. It indicates when the letter was written. Once you've done, you can continue by writing the recipient's information. This section provides the full information of the scholarship committee or foundation, to ensure the letter reaches the right person. Therefore, you need to write the recipient's title. Address the letter to the specific scholarship committee, such as Bright Future Scholarship Committee for example. And write the institution name of the scholarship organization. In this case is California Scholarship Foundation. And don't forget to write the full mailing address of the scholarship organization. You can also write the subject line, but it is optional. Simply, you can write character reference for, followed by the applicant's name and the scholarship name. If you have completed all the information above, now you can open the letter with a formal salutation. Use Dear, followed by the scholarship name and committee. In this case is, Dear Bright Future Scholarship Committee. In the paragraph 1, it is introduction. Here, you have to introduce the purpose of the letter, and your relationship with the applicant. Therefore, you need to mention that you are writing to recommend the applicant for a specific scholarship. And also, state the scholarship's name. This will ensure the committee knows why you are writing. And here is the example how you write it. I am writing to wholeheartedly recommend Emily Davis for the Bright Future Scholarship, offered by the California Scholarship Foundation. And then, briefly explain your role, like professor, supervisor, and so on. And how long you have known the applicant. This should provide context for your insights into the applicant's character and qualifications. You can check this example. As a professor of environmental science at the University of California, Berkeley, I have known Emily for 3 years, and have had the pleasure of witnessing her growth, both personally and academically, during this time. In the paragraph 2, you can write about academic and leadership qualities. In this case, it is important to highlight the applicant's academic achievements and leadership qualities. Therefore, you can try emphasizing the applicant's academic strengths, highlighting their achievements, dedication to learning, or any specific subjects where they excel. You may check this example. Emily is a remarkable individual who embodies the qualities of a true leader and scholar. Not only that, you must also mention any leadership roles, or participation in extracurricular activities, that demonstrate their ability to lead and inspire others. You can also elaborate it this way. Her passion for environmental conservation is evident in everything she does. From her outstanding academic achievements, to her active involvement in community service and extracurricular activities. And then, provide evidence of their drive for excellence and commitment to making a difference, both in academics and in extracurricular activities. If you have no idea what to write, you may check the following example. She has consistently demonstrated a commitment to excellence, and a drive to make a positive impact on those around her. In the paragraph 3, it is where you write about personal qualities, which are empathy and compassion. Here, you need to focus on the applicant's character traits, such as empathy and compassion. And you need to introduce a key personal trait. They are such as empathy or compassion, and explain how it stands out in the applicant's character. For example, you may simply write, "One of Emily's most admirable qualities is her empathy and compassion." And you can then provide a specific example of when the applicant demonstrated empathy or compassion. They can be volunteer work or community involvement. Here is the example how to write it. She has volunteered extensively at the Berkeley Community Garden, where she initiated a sustainable composting program. And you can elaborate more like, "This experience, among others, highlights her genuine concern for the well-being of our planet, and her desire to effect meaningful change." In the paragraph 4, it is where you write about initiative and integrity. Yes, emphasize the applicant's integrity and responsibility. It should be showing how they approach challenges and opportunities. By doing so, you can discuss the applicant's sense of integrity and responsibility, to emphasize how they tackle challenges or difficult situations. You may write something like, "Furthermore, Emily possesses a strong sense of integrity and responsibility. She approaches challenges with a positive attitude and an open mind, always willing to learn and grow from each experience. Her resilience and determination are truly inspiring, making her a role model for her peers." And surely, you can provide an example that illustrates their initiative or integrity in action. In the paragraph 5, you can write the reasons why they deserve the scholarship. Yes, it is important that you connect the applicant's strengths to the goals and values of the scholarship. It should be making the case for why they deserve it. In order to do that, you can start to summarize why the applicant is a great fit for the scholarship. You should align their qualities with the scholarship's mission or values. You can do it like this example. "I am confident that Emily Davis is an ideal candidate for the Bright Future Scholarship. Her exceptional character, combined with her academic prowess and dedication to service, align perfectly with the values and objectives of the California Scholarship Foundation." Besides, you can also highlight how the scholarship will help them further their goals and continue making contributions. If you have no idea what to write, you may simply copy this. "I have no doubt that she will utilize this opportunity to further her education and continue to make significant contributions to environmental science." In the paragraph 6, now you need to offer to provide additional information. Offer to provide further information if needed to show your willingness to support the application. Therefore, you need to write your contact information, in case the committee needs more information or clarification. You can write your phone number and email address. Here is the example. "Please do not hesitate to contact me at 510-555-1234 or alice.johnson@berkeley.edu. should you require any additional information or have any questions about Emily's character and accomplishments." And you can continue by reiterating your strong support for the applicant. Simply, you can write something like, "I am eager to provide any assistance necessary to support her application for this prestigious scholarship." And in the last paragraph, thank the committee for their time and consideration. You may write it this way. "Thank you for considering this letter of recommendation." And once again, write a strong statement of support, encouraging the committee to grant the scholarship. For example is, "I wholeheartedly endorse Emily Davis's application, and look forward to her continued success." Finally, you can formally close the letter. Use a closing phrase like "sincerely" or "best regards." Add your signature, followed by your full name, title, and institution. So, that's how you write a scholarship character reference letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.